The objective of this app is mainly to facilitate the student in learning the HCI at the point where the student can learn HCI in a very flexible way, yet fun enough to do. Apart from the flexibility, the app is also offering a unique learning approach in order to ensure the understanding level of the student is always on top. The developer has utilizing stage learning approach in which the student, or the user in this case, is expected to complete a particular level in order to be able to proceed to the next one. The developer believed that by using such approach could actually motivate the user to always score a particular level and be able in reaching the next level. Comprehension or understanding should allow the student or the user to easily understand the content of the application and being able to redemonstrate the content with a few examples altogether. Most of the students tend to understand a lesson faster using visual representation of the content provided. In fact, human brains are most likely to associate things with an image or a visual representation for a better understanding. Therefore, in most of the words spoken by human, the listener's brain will depict the words into an image, and the speaker tends to find a visual representation prior to express something immediately. The data gathering technique used for this development is questionnaire. The questionnaire will mainly be spread through the social media with a target of 50 respondents. The data gathering activity is meant to discover and expose myself to the people's expectation against the mobile learning application that escalates the understanding level of users so that the user may understand well and able to representing what he or she has learned. While observing the people awareness toward the importance of human-computer interaction aspects that apparently possessed by almost every system used for daily usage. Based on the responses we have accepted through questionnaire, I might summarize that most of the potential users are expecting the balance of interactivity and simplicity aspect of the application. In other words, they needed learning application that is very efficient in one side in terms of usability, but also possess an interactive aspect in terms of learning material on the other side. However, there are few requirements that have been captured from data gathering which have been categorized accordingly. First, functional requirements. The application is created to let the user learn human-computer interaction topics. First off, the users are expected to register themselves into the system so that they will be assigned with a username and password in order to be able to gain access to the application. Once they have registered, then only they may log into the system and begin to use the app. Once the user has successfully logged into the app, the maps or the list of available levels in the application will appear on the screen. The user is not allowed to pick random topic. The application has been designed in a way that closes to the game mechanism. That says, the user will not be allowed to pick random topic or level. Rather, the user must pick the first topic to read and pass the quiz in order to be able to proceed with the next level. The slides are available to read and should appear on the screen when a particular topic or level is clicked. The user learning skills are unique, and it is therefore the user might jump to the quiz faster than others and vice versa. Well, there won't be any specific time constraints either in reading the slides or in attempting the quiz. That means the user may jump to the quiz in any time when they are feeling ready to start without having to rush. The quiz is stored on the other page, but the button for the quiz will be provided in the footer space when user entering the reading mode or in the middle of opening the topic. The quiz you've attempted will determine whether or not you are good to go to the next level. Then, the accomplishment for each topic that you've accomplished will be rewarded with 1 star for each. In a simple word, one star represents one chapter. The user may check the accomplishment or the stars they have collected in a scoreboard page, stored together with the user profile name and display picture. I have taken things very serious in terms of conceptual model. The first question popped up in my mind when I was designing the application was, how do I transform the user needs into something understandable? Or which interface metaphors will be suitable to help user understand the product? Creating something new is indeed brilliant, but does it always offer any good to the potential user? That's why interface metaphors is one of good choice to be considered in creating a software or system, since the user are tend to easily adapt and understand what the software capabilities are, including how to operate them. Now in this app, I'm developing an application that allows user to study content easily. So the metaphor is quiz card or flashcard. Some of the students are creating flashcard to study a lesson prior to the quiz or exam. That flashcard is transformed into digital-based card, which in this app, the card shall contains the reading material. A lot of benefits offered from creating digital-based flashcards, such as an opportunity to have dynamic space to contain reading materials. By dynamic means, the space is not fixed for a particular content. That way, user may not feel strange with a new learning device and its environment, since they are familiar and comfortable with a flashcard or quiz card for learning physically. Well, the mobile learning app utilizes at least two interaction styles altogether, which are instructing and manipulating. Although the application is quite simplistic, the manipulation is still needed. It's needed to be involved due to high usability consideration. Instructing is obviously implemented in the HCI Learning app, where most of the interaction are performed by giving instruction to the application. For instance, asking the application to display the quiz. Meanwhile, the manipulating model emphasizes the user interaction with objects in a virtual or physical space by manipulating them, which in HCI Learning app, the manipulation is implemented at the moment where the user select, open, close, and navigate the slides or object. Those two interactions are sufficient to generate the efficiency and effectiveness without having to fear of any performance issues to happen.